Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PCSN. So today I'm going to talk about a new thing that's in the Microsoft Edge browser. If you are on the new browser and you see this new icon on the top right corner, this B, if you click that, it will open up a new option, a new tab here. And in here under chat, you can type in questions and it will use ChatGPT to answer these questions. So you can see how I typed in one of the vulnerabilities, how to fix, and it came back with some results, gave me some ideas how to fix the vulnerability. You can use like it gave me 3 different methods to fix this vulnerability. So it's all built into the Edge browser now. Like I said a while back, that Microsoft is baking ChatGPT into other applications, and this is one of the first outcomes that we're seeing for that. So it's a real handy place to have, just within your browser, you can type in a question, it will go out, seek the answer, and you can have a conversation with your browser like you're having a conversation with a person. It's actual relevant answers that you get. Just wanted to make this short video. This update just hit last night, I believe, and if you see that B icon top right, that means you have the newest update, and you should be able to use the ChatGPT chat option in here as well, and explore some of the other options here. There are a few other things as well. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.